If COVID-19 is going to be the most said word in 2020 for the entire world, I'm betting virtual will be the most said word in the real estate space. Hi, I'm Stephen Garner with Hub Media Company. According to Showing Time, showings are down 51% from this time last year. COVID-19 has forced real estate agents to think outside the box to show properties virtually. They're using their iPhones, Facebook Live, Instagram, FaceTime, and other platforms to convey the layout and amenities of a home. But before the agent can have a virtual showing, they first need a potential buyer to reach out. And what causes that? Your media. Media has always been important in real estate sales, but now more than ever, great media, which is media that creates emotion, is imperative to your sales process. Before COVID-19, a buyer may view 10 homes or more. Now, because of COVID-19, potential buyers are using your photos and videos to reduce that number to maybe 5 properties they will physically see in person. They simply don't want to put themselves at risk unless it's absolutely necessary. Great media provides you, the agent, a priceless opportunity to demonstrate how you are better and different than your competition, and how you're finding a way to win in today's challenging housing market. Last week, I told you about our virtual open house videos. I've included one below, and how you can use them to not only show a property virtually, but also educate the consumer on the very things they care most about when deciding which properties to physically see. The neighborhood, community amenities, school district, proximity, things to do, and properties are all covered in this style video. Our virtual open house videos are used to educate and inform potential buyers. Because they're fully narrated by you, the agent, you can speak about the curb appeal, the entryway, floor plan, and provide a detailed explanation about your favorite parts of the property and why. Not just the gourmet kitchen, but the proximity of the kitchen to the family room, living room, the patio, and why it's ideal for today's buyer. The videos we create can be emailed to potential buyers, shared through social media, added to the multiple listing service, and because Hub Media Company is a Zillow preferred company, even be added to your listing on Zillow. For more information or to schedule a video of your current or future listing, please call 480-223-8113 or simply fill out the form below.